when you're applying for a TEFL job, you will have questions related to being a teacher, always an advantage. What makes a good teacher? What would you say?
Preparation.
Yeah.
Organization and engagement with the class.
Discipline.
Yes, exactly. So kind of showing that you're aware of these things, right? Which age groups do you prefer to teach and why? Is it a tricky question or how would you answer that question?
Well, I guess it depends on where I'm applying, but I would apply to somewhere that I know they're not going to be very, very young learners, because I know I wouldn't be able to do that. So in my case, I would be able to be honest, because I wouldn't apply. But I guess it depends on where you're applying.
Definitely, and very often you will be asked to teach a variety of groups. So
I can say I can adapt to the age, right?
Yeah.
You can also add something like, my preference would be young learners. However, I am open to widening my horizon.